Hi guys, this is Dante with Drive and Thrive. Today we're going to talk about the best times to drive for Uber Eats. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and watch to the very end so you don't miss out on news, tips, and tricks for Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates. Okay guys, so I know how frustrating it is to get out there and drive and no orders are coming in. Alright? You're driving for Uber Eats, you've gone to the right location, you've done everything correct, and you're just getting no business. I know it's super frustrating. And if you followed some of my other tips, like choosing your location properly, etc., you should be getting orders, you feel like, right? So I'm going to give you 5 tips to help you alleviate that problem, get you to complete a lot more trips, make a lot more money, and save your time and your gas money. Okay, so step number 1 is drive during lunch and dinner hours. Now, of course, that seems obvious, but I remember when I first started, my plan was to drive full time, nonstop, 10 or 12 hours a day, and really just grind orders just all day long. And I would notice that, well, right around 2 o'clock, 2 to 5, things would slow down dramatically for me. And after a while, I figured out, no one's eating right now, So the best time to drive, depending on your area, is between 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. So it really depends on your area. But during those lunch hours and during dinner hours, between 5 to 9, that's when people generally eat. So that's when people are going to order food. So if you are working 8 hours, maybe think about giving yourself a schedule between 9 a.m. to 1, taking a break, and then working from 5 to 9, right? Now, you can drive Uber Eats 24/7. You're probably still going to have some orders, and there'll be less drivers at night, etc. So you can do it anytime, but those are the best times. So I definitely recommend drive during lunch and dinner hours. Okay, now another thing that differs depending on where you are, but definitely here in Seattle, is drive on the weekends. Because here in Seattle, there's a lot less traffic on Saturday and Sunday, and for whatever reason, people order more food. I don't know why, but especially Sunday. Sunday is like the golden day for me. All right, there's very little traffic. I'm just getting orders left and right all day long. I can do 20 orders in a day easy on Sundays. So definitely, if you can work weekends, and if you're doing this full time, you might want to take Monday and Tuesday off and work the other days. However, as I said, that may vary. So maybe you want to keep track during the week of what days seem to be busiest. And if you think that in your area, Tuesday is the busiest for whatever reason, let me know in the comments, because I would love to know what area you're in and what your busy days are. Okay, so 3. I actually moved this up because I think this is more important than anything else. Don't drive when you're tired. Okay? I know this is going to sound crazy, like, wait, how is that going to help me make more money? But if you get out there and you start driving when you're tired, you're going to want to quit. You're going to want to go home. You're going to get frustrated. You're going to have road rage. You're not going to be enjoying yourself. You're going to quit your session early. You're going to regret it the next day. So take a nap or whatever, especially if you're doing this full time. If you feel tired, or if you've been working 5 hours straight and you haven't taken a break, definitely take a break, relax, get your zen back, then start working again. Or that's a good time if you're a little tired. Take that break between 2 and 5 when things are slow. Go home, take a nap, get back on the road and drive. So, okay, drive during events and holidays, like sporting events, holidays generally. People are going to order a lot of food on those days, and you get a lot of tips, especially around Christmas. And I know it's sad, but I actually did drive on Christmas Eve. So I got a $20 tip from somebody on Christmas Eve. So, hey, it worked. And 5, drive during quest and promotion. So this is an obvious one. It has less to do with time per se, but definitely be checking your promotions page to see in advance what the boost promotions are. Check to see if there's any quest events, like during that McDonald's quest that they just had a little while ago. I made a ton of money with that extra money through the McDonald's quest. So you can make more money by just checking the quest, checking the promotions. You can get paid more. Those would be the best times to drive also, because there'll be more people ordering theoretically. Because usually they make the quest and promotions in days when volume will be heavy. So, yeah, so to recap, drive during lunch and dinner, drive on the weekends, drive when you aren't tired, drive during events and holidays, and drive when quest and promotions are highest, when boosts are highest. So if you do those 5 things, you're going to make more money with Uber Eats. You're going to thank me. And if you disagree with any of these, or if you can think of other times or when to drive that's different or better than mine, please leave a comment down below. I appreciate all your comment and all your advice. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And also make sure to drive and thrive.